Today I would like to make a currency converter um, which we give the amount into US dollar and we'll change that into five other currencies. So this is a project for that. I already created my class by the name of converter and I have the main method menu. So inside this main method I'm gonna start building my project. So for this, I'm gonna need a scanner because the user will need to input the amount. So for that, I'm gonna import um, whatever which is necessary. So I can import above this. I think that would be good. Import Java dot util dot scanner. So right now, after importing this, we can initiate its object. Uh, I'm scanner. I'm gonna name it scan and new scanner system.in. Okay. So yeah, we created this. So after that, so we need the exchange rate for the other currencies. I already just took those exchange from the internet and it's here. I just created a class with the name of utilities and I saved it here in order to use that. So I'm gonna mm, copy this and I'm gonna make an array of these rates, which it should be double. I'm gonna start with double array sign, and I'm gonna name it exchange rate and equal to. Right now, I can paste that here. Yeah. So I have the exchange rate here. After that, I'm gonna need to print a statement system.out.println open parentheses double quotation. So we'll say please enter the amount in US and dollar. So um, so for that, right now we can we will need input from our user, and it will be a double. So we call it double. We just call it what should we call this? Probably US dollar. We're gonna use this name here. Scan that it already comes here. Next double, we need this. Just enter tab, and it will be there. Okay, after, so this one, what does this do? This actually gives a scan, an input from our user. So I want to also create another statement that should say converting to other currencies. Okay. So after that, I also want to print I want to print a header, like a header for my table, because I want to just print this inside of a formatted table by myself. So system dot out dot println. We should have two titles. One should be currencies, and the other should be amount. So I say currency. If I use backslash, where is backslash? If I use backslash and I use T, it will print. It will print a tab spacing between currency and amount. When will it print? You'll see that amount. Strong. System.out.println. Invalid escape sequence, valid escape pt in. Oh, okay, sorry. Here it should also one t here, yeah, because yeah, I forgot about this one. So this one will print that. Sorry. And I also want to print a line and under this title, and it should be I want to print this one as well. Okay. So also I need and those currencies that I want to change and US dollars to them, and it should be an array of them because and a string array of them. So it will be string array mark, and we call them currencies. And yeah, I already took these currencies and I already set it here, and just to save time, I just copy this and go here and paste it here. So we have that here. So after this, we have the exchange amount of rate. I also we take a scanner from our user. It will print this statements, and also we have this arrays. So what do we need here? In order to make our code simple, just we need a for loop to go and iterate over all these and print all of them, and also change the amount of the US dollar that we deliver to them or we give to them into these five excuse me into the five currencies. Oh my god. Okay, so for that I want to create a for loop that should be in for. I can name it int just want to have a good code for int, and I'm gonna name it index, or just simply I call it I. Um, int I. After that, I'm gonna add the amount of the exchange rate. So it will go here. So exchange rate. Let me exchange rate. Yeah, I'm gonna need its length. If yeah, here forgot to put I here. Sorry. If I should be lower, smaller than the length of this array, and oh, I should be one. I should be plus or increment by 1, and here I open my parentheses again, and inside this parenthesis I wanna print this. So double converted amount, converted, just not amount, just converted, double converted equal to what? Uh, the user will enter US dollars. So this will be what will be converted. So we already have this here. We take this US dollar and multiply that by, or what? By its rate, of course. Exchange um, exchange rate. Exchange rate of what? Exchange rate of I, of course. And I is what? Well, I is the array here. So inside this array sign, we just put I, and here, what's wrong? Link cannot be resolved or is not filled. Dot lint. Okay, yeah. The local variables may not have been initialized. Oh yeah, I haven't initialized this. I should I should assign this I to 0. Just yeah, yeah, I got this. Okay. So yeah, we have this for loop, and which goes over each of this, and also will multiply that by exchange rate, which is also an array, and we will have this double of converted here. So far the code is fine, but also we should use F formatting just to print all this into a good formatting. So for that, I'm gonna need another print statement to use F formatting. That print line, not a print line, sorry, print if, because I'm gonna use F formatting. So here I'm gonna use double quotation, which will be that, and where's the, I'm gonna use the percentage, and also this, and I'm gonna use the distance between 25. I should be okay. This just gives a space between the convert the and this this these currencies, and also the converted amounts. So you'll see that once it will be printed there. And also, yeah, of course, it's is, because we will need that. And also, I'm gonna need another distance, another amount of this actually adds the amount of zeros, or the amount of digits there. So I'm gonna use a 2 if, and also a backslash. This in here will add it will add a, a line, each line by line. So I'm gonna add a quotation mark and delete this unnecessary. Oh, not actually, sorry. Oh my god. Again, I should print that again. Let's quotation, and again I'm gonna use a 20, 24, 25. Doesn't matter. Just again 1%, and it should be 2 if backslash. And it's a bit complicated. It looks, but it's not a one when it's when it will be printed. So here, what does it do? So inside this, we make this a format, and after that, what we say that print what currencies. This one. We just simply copy this and paste it here. Currency, of course, it is an array. Close the array, and again, comma. What do we note here? And also, exactly, we need the converted to print also what? Converted. Converted. Okay. So once again, we go through this code just real quick. Java scanner, we imported the scanner from Java utility, and also this is the class converter. This is the main code. This is the scanner class, which we initiated the object of the scan, and this one, this is an array of exchange, exchanging rate of the currencies. This is a parenthesis which print this one, and also this is a double US scanner from which takes an input from our user, and also the pretty one is very simple. This one prints this, and also this one prints this like a title. This one and this one, there will be a tab spacing between them, and under them will be this line. And after that, we have an array of this, which will be printed here. And here I have a for loop, and I initiated that from 0, that because the index starts from 0. And it will continue until when the I become lower than the length of this array, because the index starts from a 0, not 1, and it will be incremented by 1. So here, double converted equals, because and US dollar, the amount of the user input will be multiplied by this rate, and it will be printed inside this formatting. And again we will print currencies here, and also the converted amount, which will be this. So let's run this. Okay, please enter the amount in US dollar. So I want to exchange like $5 into these 5 currencies. 5. Okay. Here I made a mistake for my formatting. Here, let's see. If I add just one underscore here, all my formatting will be fine. This will go there. Just let's run it one more. Like I wanted to change $5. Yeah, look at this. English pound. Yeah, $5 will be 395. And yeah, I think here I also made and these are the amounts of zeros that I made there. If I add a dot here, it should be take 2, because this one initiate that. Okay, once more. If I want to change $5, 5, yeah, here. English pound 3.95. The euro will $5 will be 3.95 pound, 4.65 euro, 746.55 yen, Japanese yen, and 95.65 South African rand, and $5 will be 6.75 Canadian dollar. And yeah, that's it. We created our simple project, which is a currency converter. Thank you very much.